Soy burgers are an excellent plant-based alternative to meat burgers. Let's see how to prepare them with an Italian touch. Ingredients: 200 grams of granular soy or soy flakes, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, parsley to taste, breadcrumbs, 1 egg or substitute with a flax egg for a vegan version, salt to taste, pepper to taste, extra virgin olive oil, spices to taste, paprika, turmeric, cumin, etc. Preparation: start by rehydrating the granular soy following the instructions on the package, usually by soaking it in hot water for a few minutes. While the soy rehydrates, finely chop the carrot, onion, and garlic. Then, in a pan with a drizzle of oil, sauté the onion and garlic mixture until translucent, adding the carrot for a few more minutes. Drain the soy and squeeze it well to remove excess water. In a large bowl, combine the soy, sautéed vegetables, chopped parsley, egg or substitute, salt, pepper, and chosen spices. Mix all ingredients well until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Add breadcrumbs as needed to obtain a moldable dough. If the dough is too wet, add more breadcrumbs. If it is too dry, add a little water or another egg or substitute. With moistened hands, form burgers of the desired size and let them rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up. Heat a pan with a drizzle of oil and cook the soy burgers for about 5 minutes per side until golden brown is desired. Serve the soy burgers in a bun with your choice of toppings, such as lettuce, tomato, vegan mayonnaise, and ketchup. Trivia: soy has been introduced into Western diets as a plant-based protein alternative. Originally from Asia, it has been widely adapted in cuisines around the world for its versatile ability to replicate the typical textures of animal foods, as in the case of burgers, but also for its nutritional properties, which make it particularly suitable for vegetarian and vegan diets.